Right, this is day 12 after surgery, and as you can see, I've decided I'm going to try and make myself look a bit more human and put some makeup on, and I'm amazed at how much I can see this nose has changed my face. To me, it's fantastic. If you see from the side, the swelling is going down. My nose still feels obviously strange because the ending is numb and it's tender, but I really can see such an improvement. It's a delight to me. With regard to the bruising, you can see that this bruise here is the worst one. I can't cover that with makeup. I put my normal Estee Lauder on and it hasn't covered it, but I'm not worried at all. The rest I think is quite acceptable, and I plan on going to the shops in a moment. And I slept very well. As I mentioned, I think on my previous day, I really was extremely tired yesterday, and I just rested as much as I could. And when I woke up this morning, I felt very refreshed. I'm just I'm careful because of the tenderness in the bridge, which is obviously natural and normal. I can breathe through both nostrils with no problem, and what's the other thing? I can breathe through both nostrils easily. Obviously, I'm avoiding blowing my nose. That's essential. Yeah, I mean, everything has just progressed so brilliantly well. If you could just see there, it's really coming on nicely, very, very nicely. I think in a week's time, the bruising, possibly less than a week, if it progresses at this rate, should have gone completely. I can't think of anything negative to say, really. It's going to be interesting to see whether anybody notices the change in my face. I mean, to me, it's really, it's subtle, but it's exactly what I wanted. I'm still applying a little bit of cream at the bottom where there's a little bit of redness there, just to make sure that no infection comes or anything like that. But apart from that, I'm very, 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 very pleased with the way things are progressing. I'm trying to turn my head to the side as much as possible. Before the operation, if I were to turn my face at a 3/4 angle like this, my nose would be sticking out further than my cheek, which I hated. So now Dr. De Silva has managed to get things far, far, far more in proportion to the size of my face. So that's all for now. Hoping you can see clearly. That's all for day 12. So see you tomorrow. Over and out.